This is the WEN ME251R 10-inch aluminum offset gauge. Now the uses for this are pretty much endless. You can use it as an offset gauge, a marking gauge, a depth gauge, pretty much whatever you have a need for. Now the way this works is on a vernier scale, and the vernier scales are present in both imperial and metric. You can see each marking up here is 0.002 inches, 2,000ths of an inch, or 2 thou. So we have 0, 2 thou, 4 thou, 6 thou, 8 thou, and 10 thou. Also 0.01 inches. So the way to read it is what we're going to do is once we find our measurement, we're going to find the place where the 0 on the vernier scale falls between the markings on the main scale. Here it falls between the 4-inch and the 4 1/16 inch markings. So we're going to find the line that corresponds between the vernier scale and the main scale. Here it's about the 3. So we know, because this represents 10,000ths of an inch, or 0.01 inches, this is 0.02, this is 0.03. We're going to add that to our previous measurement of 4 inches. So we get 4 inches plus 0.03 inches, which is 4.03 inches. Similar concept on the metric side. We see that the marking here is between the 102 and 103 millimeter line. That's where the 0 falls. Next, we're going to find where the line on the vernier scale matches up with the line on the main scale. And you can see that happens right about here at the 5. The scale for the vernier scale in metric is 0.05 millimeters. So we have 0.05, 0.1, 0.15, 0.2, etc. So we know that the 5 represents 0.5 millimeters. And again, we're going to add that to our previous measurement. So we get 102 millimeters plus 0.5 millimeters equals 102.5 millimeters. I'm going to check with a caliper to make sure it's accurate. And again, we're measuring from this face to this face. So that comes out to 102.49 millimeters, which is just 0.01 millimeters underneath what we measured previously, 102.5. If we convert that to inches, we get 4.035 inches, which is 5,000ths of an inch off from what we measured previously. So this is going to be pretty accurate overall, especially for woodworking. The body is made of CNC machined aluminum, and the engravings are laser etched, so this should last you a nice long time.
Remember WEN.